Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're starting with the recording in Voice Memos. First, confirm your iPhone is updated so the shortcuts transcribe audio action is available. Once done, open the memo, tap the three-dot menu, then Share. Save the file to Files or send it straight to Shortcuts if you've pre-built a flow. This move ensures the audio is accessible to the transcription tool. Make sure the file is not locked or corrupted so Shortcuts can process it. Now you'll run or assemble the transcription shortcut. Open Shortcuts, create a new shortcut that accepts audio or files. Add the transcribe audio action, select the language and whether to use on device or cloud processing, and set the output format. Then add a final action to save the text to notes, files, or share it by message or mail. Run the shortcut, pick your saved memo, and watch it convert. This step automates the finish by reviewing the generated transcript and making quick edits. Automated tools miss names and punctuation. If the result is garbled, export a cleaner copy of the memo, use headphones or an audio editor to reduce background noise, and rerun the shortcut. If it still fails, verify Shortcuts has permission to access files and microphone and that you have enough iCloud or local storage. If you hit repeated errors, reboot the phone and try again. Permissions and storage are common causes of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.